Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm David and I'm your tutor. Today I'll be showing you how to copy your wallet address from Bybit. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is, here is the app I'm using. This is my Web3, this is my Bybit app. You will head over to the asset section. You click on it. You can see these two options over here. You can see that we have the account and the asset section. So we are gonna be making use of the account section. This is where we're gonna be clicking. This is where we're gonna be clicking, and we head down to the funding section. Okay, head down to the funding section. Click on it. It will take you down to this section. You can now scroll over here. These are the various wallets that we have. When you scroll down, you can see we have the BTC, we have the Ethereum, we have the USDT, the ETH, the hamster, USDC. Okay, now I'm gonna be clicking using any of them. So these are the various wallets we have. So I want you to understand that. All right, these are the various wallets we have, the various tokens we have, and under these tokens we have the wallet. So you're gonna be selecting any of them. So I'm selecting USDT as an example. I'm selecting USDT as an example. You click on it. Now I want you to understand that you can use any pair, all right? They all apply to the same process. You can select any pair, all right? So I am just selecting the USDT just to show you how to copy your wallet address from Bybit, all right? So you can see this, the logo has shown to show you that you are working or you want to copy the wallet address from USDT. If you are choosing Hamster, it's still the same process. Hamster logo will pop up here. If you are choosing BNB or Bitcoin logo will pop up here, all right? Now you after that you head down to deposit. You head down to this deposit section over here. You click on it. After clicking on it, now these are the various network in the Theta. All right, these are the various network in the USDT Theta. All right, so I want you to understand that whenever I want to send any token to anybody, if you are selecting Theta, if you are using Theta to send token to anybody, you have to confirm the network that you are sending to. All right, you have to be sure that you are sending the right network to the person. These are all the various network in the Theta. These are all the various network in Theta. All right, you can see that these are the various networks. We have the Ethereum, the Tron, we have the Solana, the BSC. So these are all the various networks in Theta. You can see Tron over here. So for example, now I want to choose Tron network under Theta. I will just click on it. I'll just click on Tron network and go and copy it. Now you wait for it to display. Now you can see this Tron over here. You can see Tron. This Tron here means that it's under Theta network. If you are selecting the TRC, now that TRC is going to show over here, being the network is going to show TRC under the USDT network. All right, I want you to understand this. If you are sending any network to anybody, please do not do mistake. You should be sure of the network you are sending. If you are sending Theta to anybody, please do not do mistake and send a different network to the person. You have to confirm from the person the network, the Theta network of which the person wants to send tokens to, or you want to send a token to the person. Okay, good. So here's the network. So I've just selected USDT, and this is the Ton network. That USDT, I'm selecting it for the Ton network. Okay, now let it load. Okay, so now it took me back. Let's go over it. We select Ton network. We've selected Ton network. We'll click on it. Now it has popped up. Now this is the address that we are looking at. All right, so you can now copy this address now, okay, and send to the person. You can decide to copy either this address, or you send this, you screenshot this and send to the person, okay. They're all the same thing, okay. You can decide to copy the address. If you don't want to use this section, you just come over here, you just head over here and use this section. Just click that copy and copy the address. The address will be copied automatically, and now you can now send the USDT address to the person. All right, the USDT address can be sent now to the person, and now the person can now deposit tokens into the address that you've sent to him, and then the address now will reflect the coins, the tokens will now reflect automatically in your funding account. Okay, that is how you copy your address. I hope you found this video very useful, and if you have any question, drop them at the comment section and I'll wait my reply. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on our next videos. See you on our next videos.